it is a planet. You study in previous class. In previous class, you studied our Earth is a planet. Our Earth also revolves around the sun. It rotates on its axis. Besides this, our Earth is the only planet in solar system or in celestial bodies which is available or from which we are aware of, where life is possible. Here we can see change at the surface as well as internal part of the Earth or Earth surface. Now, here two questions are there. Have you ever wondered what the interior of the Earth will be like? Suppose at our home, we dig a well, we get water, but there is our limit. We go to particular limits only, and we can see the soil or rocks or some minerals. But actually, what is there? Many times we heard about different forms of disasters like earthquake, volcanoes. Why they occur? What is there? Because according to our knowledge or whatever we have seen, that is as I have discussed, wells, depth wells or deep valley we have seen. But under this, there is much thing to know. What will be there? We will discuss here. Next question is, what is the earth made of? Our earth is made of what? As we can see, soil is there, rocks are there. It is true. But with the same, there are so many minerals and other things which are merged with this. Here we will also discuss the same thing. Any question from your side? Okay, we are moving towards next slide. Again repeat, continuously comments are going on. Now stop writing comments. Whatever the comments are, from there I will check. No one will write in comments. Asnani. Who is Asnani?
Sir, I.
Asnani K, yeah. Okay, when slide present, start. Here we are going with interior of the earth. Header is interior. What is inside the earth? We can say under the soil or under the upper part, upper layer or crust. Okay, start reading.
Interior of Earth. The interior of the Earth is made up of several layers arranged one on top of the other like an onion. The uppermost layer of the Earth's surface is called the earthquake. This is the thinnest layer. This is about 35 kilometers on the continent. The surface of the continent is mainly composed of minerals such as silica and alumina. Hence it is called Ciel. C
C for silica.
C for silica and L for alumina.
Here it is typing error, not C but S. Interior of the earth, as we have just discussed, it is made up from several layers. Here example is given like onion. When we open an onion, at that time, we can see different layers one by one. Similarly, our earth has several layers. Right? Uppermost part is called surface, where we live. It is thinnest layer. Keep in mind. Suppose you say at my home there is a hand pump. It is 200 feet, 300 feet deep. So it is 2, but it is thinnest layer. By this we can see or imagine what would be the size of different layer. It is about 35 kilometers on the continent. On the continent means here we are living on it. In other words, we can say plain area. From there, about 35 kilometers. We dig 200, 300 feet, 500 feet for groundwater. But its layer is 35 kilometers average. At some places, it may be more than 35. Other places, it may be less than 35 kilometers. But approximately around or average, we can say it is about 35 kilometers. Now the surface of the continent is mainly composed of whatever the surface where we are living, that is called surface or upper area. It is composed or made of minerals. There are lots of minerals are found. For example, silica and alumina. Thus, the layer, it is thinnest among all layer of the earth. As it is thinnest, but its deepness or depth is 35 kilometer average. Any question from your side? Now we are moving towards next paragraph of the same header, interior of the earth. Now Purushwani Kresa,
Yes, sir.
will start reading.
The ocean silt is composed mainly of silica and the
Magnesium,
magnesium, hence it is called silica and magnesium.
Ma. Yes, it is called Sima. The shield, which is composed by silica and magnesium. It is called Sima in short form. Sima from CSI, which describe silica, and magnesium, which describe first two letter Ma. Thus, the word Sima has been developed or created. Now here things to know. Only 0.5%. Keep in mind the figure. This figure may be in objectives. Only 0.5% of the size of the earth is a solid crust. On what we are living, that is solid surface we are living. Otherwise, we can say lithosphere. That is solid area. And it is only 0.5% among all. Then after 16%, it is mental as well as means mental related to metal. Then 83% remaining part, it is underground. Then next one is radius. As in maths you study, you are aware with this word radius. In Gujarati it is called Trigya. Radius of the earth is 6,371 kilometers. Keep in mind all figure 0.5% solid crust, 16% mantle, 83% underground, and radius is 6,371 kilometers. Okay, बहुत दृष्टि.
Okay, sir.
Just below the shield is the metal which extends to a depth of about 2,900 kilometers. The, the
Inner
innermost layer of the earth is underground. Its radius is about 3,500 kilometers, which is mainly made of nickel and auras iron and is called
Nipe
Nife. Ni is
for
is
nickel.
for nickel and P is for ferrous. Temperature, pressure and
Density.
density of matter and are very high in the central subsoil.
Just below the seal, we have just discussed about the seal cover. It is 0.5%. Then after it, mantle is there. And the depth of mantle is 2,900 kilometer. Keep in mind, we are talking about under the crust of the earth on which we are living. This imaginary for us that how it is possible, but that is fact. That layer, it was 35 kilometer. First layer we call it. Second, mantle, it is 2,900 kilometer. Then innermost means after this layer, there is underground. Whatever the underground is, its radius is approximately 3,500 kilometer. And this means this radius, we are talking about radius. This radius is made of nickel and auras. Auras means iron. These two metals are found much or large amount in this. And that is why it is called nickel. Ni, Ni for nickel, Fe, Fe means ferrous. Here, temperature, pressure, and density. These three is too high at the central point or at the point of it. Surprise! Because it is something new. Here you can see a picture of different layer of the earth. First, at the bottom you can see, we are going from bottom, crust, as we have discussed, which is 35 kilometers. This area you can see by my mouse cursor, this area on which we are living. Then second portion is this. It is called mantle. Its depth is 2,900 kilometers. And this is underground, which radius is 3,500 kilometers. Here is point, you can see here, center point we can say. Other words, we can also say it inner underground. This way our earth is made of. By this picture or diagram, you can see. Any question from your side?
Sir,
No.
Yes.
sir, this mantle is which kilometer?
2,900. Yes, listen, first it is crust, where you can see my mouse cursor. Can you see? I need one answer only. Yes. This is 35 kilometers. This yellow is color. It is not yellow, but yellow is, we can say, mantle. It is 2,900 kilometers. This is underground. Its radius is 3,500 kilometers. And total radius of the earth, this total globe, it is 6,371 kilometer. Now we are moving towards next topic, rocks and minerals. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Sir, comments is coming on the screen.
Again repeat, don't comment continuously because when someone is reading, he or she had problem to read because it obstruct. No one can read properly. And so that don't write comments continuously. Second thing, as only 5 minutes remain, therefore we will discuss this topic in next period. Today, don't leave the class without attendance. Okay?
Okay, sir.
First of all, I stop the recording.